Bibimbap. This is the Korean traditional dish, and the rice underneath in the bowl and a lot of different ingredients on the top, and you mix it up and enjoy it. It's beautiful and delicious things to eat. I was in Korea about a couple of weeks ago. We saw a lot and I ate a lot, and this is one of the dishes that I enjoy eating it. So I will share with you how to make them. So I've got a beef mince here in a bowl, and I'm gonna season just a little bit. 2 tablespoons sugar, equal amount of the soy sauce. So I'm gonna grate a bit of the garlic, mix well. I love using my hands. When I need to feed Zach, our son, when he was a little, I often made this bibimbap. You can just chop it up, all the vegetables, tiny. Because it's a flavoursome, he didn't question anything, he just ate. There you go, that's a meat. Shiitake mushroom, cucumber, carrots. Don't watch out my fingers. Bit of the salt to remove the moisture. Carrots. This gadget, it's called julienned peeler. So you can use one of these ones if you have it at home. If you don't have it, you can use knife. When it comes to bibimbap, you need to prepare your ingredients first, then cook. All in a frying pan, heat it up, sesame seed oil, the salt. We're gonna cook them all individually, and then we're gonna put it together later on. Cooking it for about 2-3 minutes until it's nice and softened. Carrots done. Just normal oil. I'm gonna make it slightly sweeter. So what I have here is the shiitake stock. So I was soaking the dry shiitake in the water and then remove the moisture by squeezing them. I've been cooking the mushroom for about 3 minutes or so. The mushroom has got a nice little color. Time for me to add a bit of the seasoning. I'll use a brown sugar, sausage, 2 teaspoons shiitake stock in the bowl. While I'm cooking the meat, let's make some sauce. So sugar, sesame seed oil, soy sauce, sesame seed, hot water, gochujan. Let's go. This is the last step. Put these ones on top of the rice. Go. Carrots there. Cucumber there. Yep. Like that. Kimchi on the side. Korean seaweed. There you go. Sachi's bibimbap. This dish, you need to mix them all up. Savory, sweet, sourness. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next video.